So Myriad News has the ability to export the stories to your website, either in a story view or actually in a sort of headlines bulletin view. So in order to create those stories, we need to create some specific information on the story under the Internet tab here. And so this is what makes up the web title and subtitle and then the body. We've got various things to help you on your way. Over here on the right-hand side, you've got the opportunity to copy the title from the story title into there. So that's going to make up our web title. And we can see we can add in a subtitle. Mortgage approval is on the up as revealed by Halifax. So we've copied across the main story body, and that makes up the web body. I'm going to add in a few more details. And then Chris Giles has this evening's business news. So I'm not actually going to, I'm going to change that as Tuesday's business news, as this is going to go onto our website. We just need to make sure that people are happy with that. And then down at the bottom here, we've got the opportunity to create a short summary as well. And if you click on here, it rather helpfully shows you the paragraphs. So we've got 3 paragraphs involved in this story, and so you can choose one. So I'm going to just go with the top paragraph to act as our short summary. So that is the internet side of things. Some other things down here that to explain. We've got notes, got the ability to just create some notes within Myriad News. These are for internal notes. These won't be published anywhere. You can attach file names. That might be some documents, the agenda, the minutes of the last council meeting, that kind of thing. And then in other, this is to do with the destinations. This is something that's coming in a later release of Myriad. This version here that I'm showing to you is version 4.0.18. If we go back to the story here, another thing that we can do when it comes to web versions is we can send some images. So we can click down here to add. I've got an image here on my desktop, and I've set up as part of the news database settings that I'd like my images to be 300 pixels by 300 pixels, ideally. So I'm actually just going to say fit the width, which it's done here. And so that's going to fit in there nicely. I'm not too bothered that the height is not there, but at least with the width being 300, it should look nice when I come to publish a series of news images, news stories all together. So you've got the ability to crop, to zoom down at the bottom here. You can change the background and just basically tweak around with it. Little image editor. When you're happy, click on OK. And we've set here to allow for 3 images. I'll just show you where I've set that. It's in the news database settings and advanced. Allow images to be attached to stories, maximum of 3. And I'd restrict in the image here to be 300 by 300. And the background color I've said is okay to be white. So that's under advanced there. So that is everything that I need to make up my news story once it gets published out to the website.